Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Wait, let me take a picture of you. Wow. Yeah.
I can try.
Don't blow your candles out before they...
Make a wish.
Yes, make a wish.
That cake
Another 62 years.
That's
Hey.
right.
Woo!
I like that.
Hi there, how are you?
Doing?
Good, good. Oh my God, we had a wonderful, beautiful evening. Thank you.
So very welcome.
So this is the Weekapaug Inn.
Yes.
Yes. And what do you have here? What are you doing here?
So the last few lobsters are just going to steam away here. And then this is the pot that we prepared and steamed all the lobsters in. for the
Wow, this is beautiful.
evening. Thank you.
What a setup here. Gorgeous. How long have you been
4
cooking?
years. Oh, well, here 4 years. Cooking 25 years.
Wow,
Yes.
awesome. And you're the
Nice to have
executive
you.
chef.
I am.
Oh, nice.
Devin Bosque, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Oh, our pleasure.
So this is for Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues YouTube
Oh,
channel.
Wow, wonderful. Well,
Yes.
Happy to have you here.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We'll have to check you out. I'm definitely going to have to. Daddy Jack's, you said?
Yes, Cooking with the Blues on YouTube.
Cooking with the Blues. I'm going to look it up for sure. We're so happy to have you here.
Thank you so much,
Wonderful.
Devin.
Of
This
course.
is such a treat for us.
Wonderful. Are you from the area?
We're from Connecticut and Rhode Island.
Oh, wonderful. And Cooking with the Blues, what are you, what is it, just different foods or anything specific?
Yes, so it's a cooking channel, and Jack has been in the culinary arts, had restaurants in Dallas, Texas, and in Connecticut, Daddy Jack's restaurant,
Jack's.
primarily featuring lobsters
Oh, wow. Well, you
and all
definitely
types of
put us to the
American
test today.
fare and
That's
different cuisines. And Daddy Jack is up on the lawn
great. Enjoying his day.
enjoying this beautiful day
I hope we met your expectations.
above and beyond.
Wonderful. Great. So great.
This is gorgeous here.
It is. As I tell everyone, it's the best office.
Oh,
It really is.
yeah, he's got a restaurant on Bank Street in New London.
Oh, really? Oh, wonderful. No, definitely. Well, as soon as the summer is over,
Yeah.
and then, you know, for us, the days off come around, I'm looking forward to check it out. Definitely love seeing new places.
blues. There's 5 here. He's cooking just right, just gonna save every night. He's cooking that side, just get it culinary like it. He's smile with action when you take it right. Cooking with the blues, cooking with the blues, cooking with the blues, boy. Cooking with the blues, 1, cooking with the blues. 5. Yeah, so the chorus is 4-1-4-1-4-1-5-4-1. So it's G D G D A G D.
414151, call before midnight tonight for your free order.
41-41.
You don't mind on the thing of when you're gonna play this.
What's that?
Can we go through it so I make sure I got it
Yeah,
right?
you want to just do the chorus part?